Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just got finished doing my run walk. I put about 4 miles in over here at the park, and it's an absolutely beautiful day here in North Carolina. I live for these days. I love them. At any rate, we're going to get back to the house over here, and hopefully today my pressure washer pump will come in from Amazon so we can install the pump and get the pressure washer up and running again. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and just hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. I focus, well, I don't necessarily focus on car content or RV content, but that's kind of my two main things I focus on is RV content and car content. But my channel is, I like to say, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. And guess what? I'm in a Hellcat Red Eye and I've got a Corvette behind me. This is a good day to be a Hellcat owner. Oh, this is hilarious. Alrighty then, we got our pressure washer pump in today from Amazon. So let's see what we got. Let's see. Oof. Well, that's interesting. Huh. Very interesting. I have never quite seen something packed up like that before. Check it. It's just in like a nondescript foam package. Interesting. That actually is pretty interesting. Okay. Let's see what we got. Wow. Okay. I hear some screws or bolts. Actually, we're supposed to come with some bolts, I think. Okay, interesting. Let's check this out. Interesting. I've never seen a pump come like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. Check it out. Interesting, huh? Wow. There's my bolts and my screws. Oh, it even come with pins. Damn. Bro, look how much bigger those pins are than that one. Nice. Wow.
I wonder if it sheared this pin.
No. Made
Are
in...
you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure it did not shear that pin?
It may have. Hell, I don't know. Made in China. Looks pretty legit. Interesting. Okay. All right. Well, to be continued. Okay, so this pump, let's see what it says. It's the Yamatic. Let's see, make sure you can get the name here. It's the Yamatic pressure washer pump. It's a 3,000 psi, and let's see here, 2.3 gallons, something like that. But let's see what the I don't know if this directions. Warning: when using this product, basic precautions should always be followed. Blah 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 blah. Okay, that's about it for that. So other than that, that's about it. It looks like it's a pretty solid unit. So that's the very bottom of it right there. That's the side, and this is where it mounts up to the motor, where the 7/8 inch shaft goes up into that. Any rate, looks good, so I don't see any issues here. It even comes with extra bolts. So you got 3 bolts, and it comes with washers, comes with nylon screws, and I'm really trying to figure out, it came with some more pins, which is actually not a bad idea. And now that I think about it, this old pin may be sheared off. That's the old pin right there. I'm not sure, because I mean, look at the difference in the pins. It's actually got a, this is mine that came out of it. Then it's got like a medium size, and then it's got a larger pin. So I can bet you guys know which one I'm going to use. It's going to be the larger pin if it works. So let's see if this will fit down in this hole. And you know what? It looks like that pin, the longest pin, may actually be too long, because it does protrude from the edge. I don't know if you can see that, but it does protrude from the edge a little bit right there. Can you guys see that? Okay, so I think that was going to be too long. So we're going to go with the medium size pin, which looks like it'll fit. I mean, that one's almost perfect. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing installed.